Okay, this is River Flows in You. Yiruma. Let's get started with the right hand. We're going to be starting, here's middle C. Let's go all the way up here to A, the high A. We're going to be playing A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, E, A, D. If you notice, if you look at my finger, I'm going 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 5, 1. That's the fingering you want. Leave your pinky on A and reach out an octave to the lower A. And your pointer finger wants to come up here to C sharp. We're going to play these two, these are 16th notes, all the way up to this A, like that, a little faster. And then we're repeating this pattern, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, E, A, D. So let's do it from the beginning again, let's listen to it. Reach down. And what you want to do to add a little bit of expressive element is don't play it super square. Maybe play it slow down a little bit in parts and speed up in parts. In the left hand, here's middle C. We're going to be actually grabbing F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. And we're going to be playing this. And keep your hand like that. Just shift down to D and A, and you have to reach up to this E here. So what I would do if you have a smaller hand, hit the D, hit the A, and then just rotate, pivot off this pointer finger up to the E. Okay? Then back up to the F sharp, back to the D and A. Rotate up. And let's watch me put them together. We're going to go A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, E, A, D. Reach out. Get your hand ready. A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, E, A, D. So hopefully you saw how those went together. Then you reach out again, and the next part goes like this. We're going to be playing A, C sharp, A, and these two are 16th notes, G to C, and then keep your thumb down here, A, G sharp, A, E, A, and then move your pointer finger over to D, A, D, A, and now we have a grace note. We're going to be playing off the B to the C sharp, like that, D, A and E, C sharp, and then G sharp and B. So grace notes, how you play those is you don't really want to spend a lot of time on the grace note. You want to spend time on the principal note that you're following it with. So roll to it and hold that note like that. Barely, see how I'm rolling to that? Okay? And then we're going to move our thumb down to A, G sharp, A, and you can leave your pointer finger here now and grab this. You see how I've grabbed 4 notes with my fingers. E, A, B, C sharp. Then just shift up one finger, third finger now. C sharp, D, E, D, C sharp, B. Now let's listen to that in real time. That's how we want to play it. Now the left hand is kind of similar to the intro. We're starting again on that F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Dropping down to the D again. D, A, up to the E, and back to D this time. Jumping off and going to A, E, C sharp. And I would leave that there. Just bring my pinky up to G sharp. Middle finger to B, and thumb on E. And now this is kind of repeating. F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, C sharp, E, B, G sharp. Okay? So that's the end of that section I just went over. Now I'm going to play them together in slow motion so you can watch how they line up with each other. Alright, so that's what we have so far. I'm going to play it in real time up to that spot. Now let's listen. hold and wait there. Hold. Okay, and that's what we have so far. So I'm going to do these tutorials in parts. I'm going to go over the next part, and it's probably going to be another few minutes, and then that'll be the end of this tutorial. So we're kind of repeating into the next section those two notes we did in the very beginning, where we started on A, C sharp, A in that intro when we went. We're going to be doing that again for this next part. This is how it starts. But these two are kind of grace notes, so we're actually going to roll off these onto the A like that. We're going to roll to it like that, okay? So A, G sharp, A, and we're doing this is the same pattern we did before. A, G sharp, A, E, A, D, A, and then the grace note to the C. But this time we're actually going to cross under, put your first finger on a D, second finger on E, reach up to C sharp, fourth finger hits B, E. Now this part's a little tricky. You've got a B to C grace note and back to B. So that's kind of how you want to do it. You want to come off these two and land back on B. So what I say, rotate up and then come right back. Like that. Hold that B. And then I would hit my one finger on A, fourth finger crosses over to G, and then land E and A. So, like that. And then we have to jump. We have to move down to A, B, C sharp, E, A, C sharp, D, E, C sharp, D, C sharp, B. Now make sure you copy the fingers I'm using. It will make it a lot easier if you follow the same fingering I'm using. So let's listen to that part in real time. Okay? Now the left hand is almost repeating what we did before for that section. F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Drop down to the D. D, A, E, D. Drop down to A, E, C sharp, A. And what you want to do on this part is actually bounce off that and move your hand up to E. You have to do it kind of quickly. So watch me do this. A, E, C sharp, A, E, B, E. Back up to that F sharp again. F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, down to D, D, A, E, C sharp, and then up. E, B, E. Now I'm going to play this in slow motion so you can watch how everything comes together. Here we go. And then this last E that we hit, this will actually be played with A up here in the right hand for the next section that I'm going to go over in a different video. So I hope that helps you get started with the first half of River Flows in You. If you have any questions or anything, you can obviously write it in the comment line. Please subscribe to the videos and look for video 2.